In today's video, I will walk you through how to turn notifications on or off in Microsoft Outlook. Go to the Microsoft Outlook page and select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password linked to your Microsoft account. Then click Next. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard. From there, go to the top right corner and click the Settings icon shaped like a gear. This will open the Settings menu. In the menu, select the General tab. Inside General, find and click the Notification section. Here you will see the main option to turn notifications on or off. Use the toggle to switch notifications based on your preference. You can also adjust notifications separately for mail, calendar, and documents. Turn each one on or off depending on what alerts you want to receive. After making your changes, scroll down and click the Save button to apply them. This will update your notification settings immediately. You have now finished adjusting notifications in Microsoft Outlook on the web. Thank you for watching the video.